Community fridges are popping up in neighborhoods across Salt Lake City, including Rose Park and Sugar House. I'm Maya Constantino, and I stopped by both today to see how these volunteer-run fridges are helping neighbors fight food insecurity, one drop-off at a time. In some quiet Salt Lake City neighborhoods, there's a fridge making an impact.
It's accessible to meeting the community where they're at.
In Rose Park, it's a red one.
I think people have stereotypes of who is insecure.
This is a community fridge where people can take what they need and leave what they can. It's run by Salt Lake Community Mutual Aid members and other volunteers to address food insecurity. They started setting up the fridges back in 2021. And with SNAP benefits dropping on November 1st, some volunteers like Afa are already seeing the strain.
Our family and I come in to drop off here, and we will notice just within that same day, it's basically gone.
Susie is a co-founder of Pacific Island Knowledge 2 Action Resources. She says they manage a food bank and are feeding about 400 to 450 families a week.
Food is a right. It's a human right.
Afa says the community fridges are in need of toiletries, fresh produce, meats, and diapers. To drop off items or for more information, go to slcmutualaid.com. In Rose Park, Maya Constantino, Fox 13 News, Utah.